In today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making application that is 100% passive, and all you have to do is just click the link down below to get started and start making passive income every single second on this one account. And I'm about to show you the method and the strategy that I am using to actually utilize this to my advantage and make even more crypto. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money passively. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So first off, I want to show you an update about StakeCube right here, guys, and the link's going to be down below as well for this. I made a video about this just a couple of days ago, and I'll be leaving that link down below so you guys can go check it out to see what StakeCube is all about. So first off, I want to show you this right here. So I recorded this 2 days ago, I believe, and I want to show you that this is actually working and paying out. So you can see my earnings from yesterday was 17 turbo right here, guys. So this is working, and all that matters is that I'm earning more cryptocurrency every single day for just holding it on this actual website itself. So any of these I can actually earn and stake either through staking or even interest. So let me show you one that has interest, like this one, Dogecoin. So for just holding Dogecoin, I'm going to get some interest on it every single day, and just for holding Turbo, I'm going to get staking interest every single day. So the more you actually hold inside of these cryptocurrencies, the more crypto you can actually earn and start to stake within it. So this is a really interesting website that I have recorded, so make sure you go check that out. And if you come over here, guys, to get some free crypto, you can come over here to the community tab, I believe, and get inside of the faucets and start to claim this once a day to earn some passive income for free. As you can see right there, Turbo, I'm going to get some more Turbo for free right there. So you see, I just got through claiming it passively, easy, and now I can start to stake even more Turbo. So this is a really interesting website, guys, and I'm about to show you that one money making application right now. So look at this one right here. So this is the application. This is how it's going to look once you click on the link down below. And the reason why I'm telling you to click the link down below, go and actually put in my referral code, is because you're going to get an extra 1% of these Thunder tokens. And the reason why you're going to want that 1% because this actually mines as soon as you sign up underneath somebody. So I'll be leaving my link and my referral code down below, and this is I'm going to show you the reasons why this is a really interesting website or application for Android and Apple devices. So let's come over here to the TT mining really quick. After you sign up, you're going to get a free 5 Thunder tokens sign up bonus, and I'm going to show you that right here, guys. So if we come back real quick so I can show you that 5 Thunder bonus, go to quests. So it's the app in the middle of the application. You scroll all the way down, you're going to see this right here where it says history, and you're going to see right here 5 Thunder tokens, and you have to click on claim, and once you have completed it, you're going to get sent 5 Thunder tokens to your actual wallet. So you can see that right there. That's worth around 2 to 3 cents. So once you have done this, guys, everything else is pretty much passive at this point. You just have to come back once a week or however much times you want to. At least stay on here for 1 week, guys, because I'm going to show you why. So let's go back real quick. Let's go over here to my TT mining really quick, and I'm going to show you that this is working passively every single second, guys. So you can see that balance just going bigger and bigger every second. And so the more I actually have inside of my wallet, the faster this actually grows. So it's better to have more and stay consistent on this, and I'm going to show you my strategy for this. So let's just click on claim really quick so I can show you that this is actually working. So once we have clicked on claim, you're going to see a window pop up just like this, and read this carefully. It says if you do not claim rewards after 7 days, it will stop to be generated. Don't forget to keep mining. So you have to come back before the 7 days or throughout the week or throughout the days, and then just come in here and keep on claiming this so you can stay passive, so you can actually stay active and start to actually earn passive income with this, guys. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you can claim with USDT as well, and I have seen payment proof from this website. I have seen people exchange the tokens, the Thunder tokens, to Bitcoin, and take it off this platform and start to earn passive income with this. But the more you hold and the more you stay consistent on this, the more you can actually grow and make passive income and withdraw almost every single day. And that is my strategy, guys. Starting to actually get these Thunder tokens, and once I have enough to actually switch it over to USDT, start to use this one as well, so I can have 2 coins mining for me passively on my mobile device. And on top of that, guys, if you click on the link down below and you put in my QR code or my code, so it's QPWMJG, then you're gonna get a 1% bonus. Let me show you that right down here. So once you have clicked on that link, guys, you put in my code where it says bind accounts. So that code is right there. So go back, go to TT Mining real quick, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're gonna see this right here where it says bind a referrer. So click on that and you can see this right here. So you're gonna get 1% of Thunder tokens after you have put in my code and you have been active for around just a couple of days. You're gonna start to get that extra 1% every single day, guys. So it says please use the wallet and interact with the Thunder core frequently to be qualified. So you need to do that after you put in my code if you want to, and so you can earn that 1% on top of what you're earning right now. So this is a really interesting way you can make money with this application. Now there are other ways you can actually earn, and I would not recommend you doing this, but if we go to the home page real quick, you can see that there is games. And this is more like a betting games. It's more competitive, so you have to actually pay in order to actually play, and if you lose, then you lose your coins as well. So this is something I would stay away from personally. I'm just gonna get staying with the featured and DeFi. So again, you have the TT Mining, you also have the Punchline, which is more of like the games. You have the staking supernode. So you have the supernode, you need to have around a couple thousand of these Thunder tokens in order to actually qualify to be deposited inside of this to actually earn a really good amount of Thunder tokens. So for now, just stay away from that. There's TT Swap as well to switch through currencies, and there's on top of that, guys, you also have these DeFis that you can come in here and do the same thing. Like Token Bridge allows users to convert assets between Ethereum and Thunder Core. So there's different ways you can actually earn with this, even through the quests. So you can play games. Spend 20 Thunder tokens in a dab jelly squish, and then you can earn 20 Thunder tokens. So possibly if you win that game, you're gonna earn an extra 20 Thunder tokens. So I'll make it double, so 40 if you win. Now you can also come over here for a limited time, so it's going to expire in 2 days, this one, to retweet this Thunder dApps on dap.com, and then you can actually retweet this one, I believe, for the same thing, or it says right there over 60 million Thunder token traded on T-Swap and over 1% return on that day. So if you do complete that, you're going to get 44 Thunder tokens, and these change throughout the week. So once these are done, new ones might come in, and as well as this one, guys. So once this hour is done, more might come in. There might be even more to do that same day. So you just come back and check it every now and then to see what's new, so you can actually earn some Thunder tokens quicker, and you can actually just start to grow your wallet, guys. So I'm already at 6 Thunder tokens, and you'll get a daily bonus once you come back into the TTT Mining, and then you're gonna get a daily bonus. Depends, sometimes you get more Thunder tokens, sometimes you just get what's in here, but just stay consistent on this, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below. If you guys have any questions, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.